In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a presentation, social media post, or any creative project, resizing images is a fundamental skill that can help you achieve your design goals quickly and effectively. So let's get started. First things first, head over to canva.com. If you're not already logged in, look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the home page. This will guide you to the sign in page where you can choose to access your account using your Google credentials, Facebook, or simply by entering your email. This flexibility ensures that no matter what platform you're comfortable with, you can easily get started and dive into your projects. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your Canva dashboard. From here, you'll want to locate the project that you're interested in working on. This could be a brand new one, or perhaps something you've saved previously that now needs some tweaking. Clicking on your chosen project will bring it up, ready for edits. In the main work area, find the image that you need to resize. Select it by hovering over and clicking on it. When you do, you'll notice small white circles or handles appearing at each corner of the image. These handles are your main tool for resizing. By clicking and dragging them inward or outward, you can decrease or increase the size of your image. Keep in mind that as you resize, holding down the shift key will help maintain the image's aspect ratio, preventing it from being stretched out of proportion, which is a helpful trick for preserving the original look. Besides resizing, you might find that repositioning the image enhances your overall design. To do this, click and drag the image to wherever you need it to be on your canvas. This simple action can sometimes make a big difference in the visual balance of your design. A little movement can create a lot of harmony or tension, depending on your artistic vision, and there you have it, a quick and easy way to resize and reposition images in Canva. By following these steps, you can ensure your designs are not only creative, but also precisely tailored to your needs. Remember, mastering these basic skills opens the door to exploring more advanced features in Canva, making your design process even more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.